Hello, welcome to Josh DeLozier Investments Q2 2025 earnings report. I'd just like to thank everyone for joining the earnings call for the second quarter of 2025. I'm Josh DeLozier, the owner and founder, speaking to you from our headquarters in Seymour, Tennessee. Before we begin, please note that some statements made during this call are forward-looking and based on our current expectations. Actual results may differ due to market conditions and other factors. We encourage you to review our full disclosure on our website for more details. It's joshdelazierinvestments.com. You can find a lot of good information there, articles that are written. Also, we have some books for sale and other products. Also be offering some courses here in the near future. So definitely check that out if you get a chance. This quarter marks a period of robust engagement, strategic growth, and a reaffirmation of our vision to become a leading force in large cap growth investing. Our mission remains clear: to empower financial growth through disciplined investment strategies, innovative education, and relentless focus on long-term value creation. As of May 28, 2025, Josh DeLozier Investments holds 106 shares of Arbor Realty Trust as part of our current assets, ticker symbol ABR. It actually pays a dividend of 12% at the moment. That's generally we're not into dividend investing, but we have some dividend stocks in our portfolio just to pay for costs. Our portfolio is strategically weighted toward large cap growth stocks going forward, with a long-term core position in NVDA. Going forward, we're probably going to buy some shares of Altria Group to pay to keep the cost of the company running. But long-term, our outlook is to buy NVIDIA and other tech companies. We continue to diversify with holdings in Meta, Eli Lilly, Tesla, Apple, and select high conviction growth and dividend stocks, including Carvana, Palantir Technologies, Reddit, Blackstone, Spotify, Oracle, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan and Chase, Walmart, Robinhood, Duolingo, Costco, Google, Palo Alto Networks, Netflix, Altria, and Main Street Capital. We haven't picked up any shares of Tesla just yet, but we've been trading as of this very month. We're up 9.76% just from our investments on those other companies just mentioned. Our revenue streams are anchored by a robust digital presence, leveraging the power of social media and content creation to educate, engage, and grow our investor community. We have a Josh DeLozier Investments TikTok channel. It's live technical analysis sessions every weekday morning, trying to build a loyal and interactive audience. On Instagram, we have daily market insights, educational reels, and interactive Q&As. Twitter, we have real-time markets commentary and thought leadership. On Facebook, we have community building and long-form educational posts. Threads, we have rapid response to trending financial topics. Snapchat, behind-the-scenes content and quick market updates. LinkedIn, professional networking and business-to-business financial education. And the YouTube channel has a deep dive tutorials on investment strategies, stock analysis, and personal finance. Reddit, active participation in investment, fostering community-driven learning. Each channel contributes to our brand equity, attracts new clients, and supports our consulting and educational services. As far as business partnerships, we are proud to announce that we have Fidelity providing institutional grade brokerage services and research support. Lilly, that's Lili, our chosen online banking partner, offering tailored business banking and accounting solutions for entrepreneurs and small businesses, streamlining our financial operations. Looking forward, we are actively pursuing collaborations with Charles Schwab and Webull. Schwab's commitment to financial literacy aligns with our educational mission, and Webull's innovative wealth management platform offers new opportunities for portfolio diversification and client service. Our vision is to grow Josh DeLozier Investments into a publicly traded company within the next decade. This journey will be guided by focus on large cap growth. We believe that large cap growth stocks led by companies like NVDA offer the best risk adjusted returns over the long term. Diversification. While NVDA remains our primary conviction, we maintain exposure to other sector leaders and emerging disruptors, balancing growth with stability. Dividend strategy. We have select dividend payers such as Altria, ticker symbol MO, and ticker symbol MAIN, Main Street Capital, provide consistent income and risk mitigation. We are committed to making financial literacy accessible, offering free and premium content across platforms, and supporting the FIRE movement, the financial independence and retire early. It's a very important movement, and we definitely try to support financial literacy as much as we possibly can on all social media platforms. We have client-centric approach, personalized consultations, and actionable insights remain at the core of our service offering. Operational highlights and community impacts. Expanded our audience reach by 30% quarter over quarter across all social media platforms. Hosted over 60 live educational sessions, reaching thousands of aspiring investors. Launched new partnerships to enhance our banking and brokerage capabilities. Now, looking ahead, we anticipate continued growth in digital engagement, portfolio performance, and client acquisition. Our upcoming initiatives include launching a premium educational subscription service, expanding our investment research team, exploring new asset classes and alternative investments through innovative platforms, deepening partnerships with leading financial institutions. Thank you for your attention and support. We now welcome Any questions? Please remember, any forward-looking statements are based on our current expectations and are subject to change. Appears we're not going to have any questions today. Real quick, we're going to go over a few topics while we've got some time. That was a quick overview of a rundown of what Josh DeLozier Investments is currently trying to do. We're trying to get our accounts monetized. TikTok has just become monetized this year, as well as Instagram. Both are Instagram and TikTok are actually now monetized. So I'm proud to announce that. We have still working on Twitter, Facebook, also Snapchat, and just a quick overview of some stocks we're paying attention to. Large cap growth stocks continue to outperform. I'm big advocate of financial literacy, and everybody buying books that I have on my website. I promote Intelligent Investor, also on Instagram as well as on my website. Also, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham. Evaluating stocks is very important, and basically I teach that on my TikTok live. It's fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. It's two skills that are something that everyone needs to learn, as well as I provide all my trade signals on Twitter. Josh DeLozier Investments has been doing that for since we incorporated in earlier this year, during the first quarter of 2025. Palantir Technology is continuing to outperform the market. It's actually trading at 123.53 at the moment. Just amazing performance for that company, and we're going to continue to add try to add a larger position of Palantir Technology. We project that each of these companies, over the next 5 years, should see 100% increase in stock price. From Palantir Technology to NVDA and Spotify are the three big winners that we see outperforming the market. So those are really the main focuses for Josh DeLozier Investments. And like I said, the dividends income that we receive from Altria Group, ticker symbol MO, and Main Street Capital. It's nice to have a few companies in your portfolio that we have that that will offer to anyone that's looking for retirement, early retirement, and or maybe on a fixed income. We plan to offer 401ks in the future. That's a little bit further out. We have to stay on the right trajectory with NVIDIA and our investments in Palantir Technologies. Other companies, that we talk about investing in our future. Eli Lilly has done exceptionally well over the past 5 years. We're a big believer in moats, so that's really the number one strategic vision that Josh DeLozier Investments has is to invest in companies with moats. So, long term, we've got a ton of upside and limited risk for as much, as far as we try to minimize as much risk as possible by choosing only companies that have moats. If the company doesn't have a moats, it's not really part of anything that our company wants to be involved with. We're still looking for more brand partners. JP Morgan Chase, probably going to go speak with them. Also, U.S. Bank, probably here in the near future. So a lot of business partners we're going to have to sit down and speak with about, if they would be interested in branding with us for the long term. And, it's always nice to have business partners. Fidelity has done an amazing job helping, working with our company. So got to favor Fidelity. There couldn't have been a better brokerage to do business with. And, long term, we're also in negotiations with DUOL brokerage, a brokerage that trades between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. and also offers overnight trading, which is extremely important. But the forecast for Josh DeLozier Investments this year, we just go over the numbers. I'm expecting at least we're expecting continued growth. This company was just founded this year, so we're just now getting everything the way it needs to be, and still working on advertising and sales, and putting new products on our social media platforms. So that's a lot of work, but a lot of upside right there, and it should be something fun to do. Also, we're now accepting other investors. If they would like to invest their money in 401ks, we're not accepting any investors in the company itself. Josh DeLozier, me personally, I own 100% currently of Josh DeLozier Investments. Not ready to take it public yet, but we are doing free consultations at the moment. So the company itself we're not having any investors at the moment, but we are offering, financial plans and charging fees for anyone that likes to have their money managed by our company. We are more than happy to accept investors. So we expect to easily outperform the S&P 500 this year. We've outperformed it in 1 month. So hopefully we can continue this success will continue to hold out. Large cap growth stocks have outperformed the market and are, actually the Magnificent Seven are 30% of the stock market as a whole at the moment. So not only do they have moats, they have a huge edge in just investing in general. They have a huge, there's always new news coming out that's helping these companies get larger, and with inflation under control, I expect to see these companies continue to climb higher, even though we're expected to not see the same growth we've seen in the first part of 2025. Q3 and Q4 should see modest gains, and I expect Josh DeLozier Investments to continue to grow. As long as inflation stays under control, we should continue to outperform the market. And just going over some other things, we're charging fees for anyone who would like to have their portfolios managed. We can actively manage, or if you just like a basic fee based, we'll also be offering that. So that's going to be in the future. We're seeing continued growth in our followers on LinkedIn, as well as Facebook and Instagram. We've got 13,000, and so all these TikTok has 3,000. So they're continuing to grow, but Instagram and TikTok now starting to see small revenue, nothing major coming in. It should continue to grow, and the goal is to have every account monetized. As far as other things we're considering investment in, we may invest in real estate in the future, buying some more property for Josh DeLozier Investments, maybe in Knoxville, and then we'll also consider other cities. Don't have a set date, but plan on traveling to Wyoming as well as Nevada, and back to New York. So definitely looking forward to making some new business partners for our company. So we're very excited about 2025. I mean, this right here is going to be probably we're going to see probably the largest gains, just because we're a new company, and as long as tech stays up, our company should continue to see a decent increase in our overall investments. Tech, as everyone knows, is why America has seen some major gains over the last 25 years. So if you just look at NVDA, Meta, you just go right down the list, as well as other companies, Eli Lilly, Amazon, Apple, the tech companies, as well as big pharma with Eli Lilly doing exceptionally well. And they continue, as long as they continue to see record gains and profits, we should continue to see Josh DeLozier Investments climb at roughly the same pace, just because that's where we're focusing our investment strategy on, outside of our main core in Altria Group, that should pay any cost and overhead that we may incur over the next 12 months. Then also, if anyone has any questions or comments, feel free to contact Josh DeLozier Investments at joshdelazierinvestments.com, or leave a comment below. This video will be on YouTube, so be sure to feel free to leave any comments, and as the owner of Josh DeLozier Investments, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, I'll be sure to get back to you in person, or leave a comment, depending on if you'd like to have any inquiries about Josh DeLozier Investments. Feel free to ask and message our company. We'll be more than happy to speak with anyone in person if you want to have a meeting. But overall, we're excited that everything is up and running, and we're continuing to make new YouTube videos every single week. So YouTube videos are going to continue to focus on the large cap growth stocks, as well as the FIRE movement, and also other personal finance questions you may have. We'll have a list of books there and other products that's aligned with our brand. So we have I guess I mentioned before, Benjamin Graham, as well as I teach technical analysis. So if you want fundamental analysis, you can buy those books. And I have YouTube videos teaching technical analysis, as well as my TikTok live. That's we post a top gainers watch list every morning, Monday through Friday, and we teach the fundamentals of technical analysis, going to all the basics to the more advanced technical analysis for the more advanced investors. So there's something for everyone. And Twitter, we're continuing to put, every time we buy a new company or invest in, whether it's Altria Group, a dividend stock, or NVDA, which just had earnings yesterday and was up 5%. So the whole market's up today. That was we put all that stuff in articles on LinkedIn as well as on Twitter, and I have all my trade signals on Twitter at the moment for Josh DeLozier Investments. So it's very, very important that you get a chance. If you want to check into what our company actually invests in, you can see a complete rundown of every stock our company invests. And also, when we sell, we list it right there on Twitter. So as soon as we buy or sell, it's right there for everyone to see. So you can follow Josh DeLozier Investments, and continue to make the same investments with our company, or contact us if you'd like to set up 401k or Roth IRAs, HSAs. Our company is going to be working with businesses as well as individuals on how to set these up properly, from low-cost index funds to more aggressive. If someone's younger, they probably be a little bit more aggressive with Tesla and NVDA. Those are companies everyone should have. So you definitely want to be able to take advantage of those gains. And if you're older, obviously on fixed income, we'll offer more conservative packages that will be mostly made up of dividend stocks. So you can get either a monthly paycheck or every quarterly, whichever the customer prefers. That's pretty much a summary of what Josh DeLozier Investments is working on currently. An overview of what we're doing the next couple quarters is just continuing to grow steadily, and just take advantage of any market swings or or corrections. With tariffs going on currently, the market has went from all-time highs to till it actually dropped. It actually found support in April. So there's some stocks fell as much as 20% or more. Great time to pick up those companies, and we were able to turn a nice profit. So looking forward to continue to take advantage of the market overreactions. So this is setting up to be a great year for Josh DeLozier Investments. Feel free to contact us at any time. I appreciate everyone watching our first quarterly earnings report. Hope everyone has an amazing 2025, and be sure to join us for our next quarterly earnings report. Appreciate everyone's time. Have a great evening.